All right, guys, we got us a 2008 Chevy Corvette. Finished in beautiful red. One of Timmy's favorite cars. Ain't that right, Timmy? Yeah, sure. As long as it says Chevy. And guess what it's got? Ow. Ow. I just hit my head. Long tube headers. There and there. X-pipe. And guess what we did? We put the exhaust addict's touch on it by cutting everything else off and doing turn downs. There you go. So there they are, turn downs. Right there. Straight out the back. Then we cut everything off. He's gonna make it into a track car, which I don't blame him. It's gonna be a lot of fun. There's everything we cut off right there. This is how they had it before. Like, they brought actually some like PVC pipe. They put turn downs like that into it. It sounded awful, so we fixed it for him. There's the original mufflers right there. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Do you have a camera in it? No. E85 setup. Wow. That sounds phenomenal. Again? Yeah, 124. Go ahead and back it out. Sometimes. Everybody needs this in their life. At some point, everybody needs to have one of these and do this to it. You guys agree? Put a thumbs up in the comments. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. '2008 Chevy Corvette with long tube headers, high flow cats, X-pipe, and turn downs. If you want it louder, get rid of the X-pipe.
Oh yeah? You got what? Turbo or something?
If you get rid of the X-pipe, this thing will really open up.
We'll see how I'm feeling.
Beast mode! Yeah, baby! Enjoy, guys.